To add the paywall to your Squarespace blog, you can use its built-in features or third-party integrations to restrict content to paying users. Here's a step-by-step guide. Set up member areas. In your Squarespace dashboard, go to Settings, Member Areas. Enable the Member Areas feature if it's not already set up. Create a new member area and select which blog posts or sections will be gated by the paywall. Configure membership plans. In the member area settings, click Add Plan to set up your pricing tiers. Customize your plans with descriptions, pricing, and payment options. Restrict blog content. Go to your blog page and edit the posts you want to be behind the paywall. Use the member area settings to restrict access to specific posts or categories by requiring a subscription. You can also set up a preview for each post, allowing users to see a limited amount of content before the paywall prompts them to subscribe. Payment integration. Connect the payment gateway, such as Stripe or PayPal, to manage subscriptions and payments securely. Test and launch. Test the paywall by visiting your blog as a user to ensure everything works properly. Once satisfied, publish the changes.